Ready to go to the sea again. It's Tuesday morning. Ito na yung lola nyo. Yung purple hat ko sa dance. Suot ko. Ganda diba? Babes, we found the shortcut yesterday. The other one takes 20 minutes walk. This one is only 5 minutes. Then heto na kami kaagad. It's only 2 or 3 minutes walk. I thought it's 5. Here we are walking on the sand now, and there it is. Amazing. I'm wearing my Clark shoes, which is not supposed to be wearing here.
What?
Oh no.
Okay, people start to come now. What time is it? It's 11:30. Yan, nasa may cliff kami. Tabi ng cliff. At ako hindi pa ako pumupunta sa dagat. I still don't feel like going to the sea. It's cold for me. Ganda rito, sarap ng kain ko. Sa tabi lang ano to eh. Doon banda yung beach doon na after the Swiss. Hindi na isa bar restaurant kaya yun ang laki.
Oh no.
Grabe, it's so beautiful here.
This is not.
Look at the rocks.
Oh yeah.
Diba? Tapos, from this side are accommodations or apartments and hotels. This is the walkway. Ayan. Sunglasses structure here is made of metal. Look at that. Really fascinating. Or aluminum material used here. Wow. And more, and more to see. Yeah, we'll carry on walking. Okay, bye-bye sunglasses. That is where we are, Playa de Riz. Yan, we walk all the way to the coast. And these are some informations. Ang ganda rito mga ka-babes. Ayan. Okay, do you understand this one? Zona de peligro. Means dangerous. Might falling the cliff. And now we're going into the nature trail by the sea. And it's sandy walk as usual. I'm using my flip-flop or chinelas. Binaman to, daming ano, parang labor wind. Look at that oh. If you wanna go down the beach, this is the way. This is another way back farther. And if you wanna jump off the cliff, this is the way. Kung gusto niyong magpatiwakal. Oh, still a sandy walk and narrow. I couldn't see Stan anymore. Where is he? Hey, there he is. There he is, my beloved but annoying partner. Oh my God. So this is the place if you want to commit suicide. No, just joking. Rocks everywhere.
Oh yeah.
And a sandy walk. Wow! Going nearer, going nearer. Malayo na po nararating namin. Mga 3 kilometers na from where we started from Sangria. Never-ending beauty. And my other half is sitting there. What can I describe him? The horrible man. the grumpy man. Just joking. Para kung nasa 100 Island, look. Islets. And the rocky stuff here. And my sexy shadow.
This is not a dream.
Ayan. Sexy. Oh my God, I'm between the rocks. Look at that. That's where I come from. And these are the rocks. I think nobody come here because it looks very dangerous and this is the sea. Lalo na tumataas ang dagat, baka abutin na ako ng ano. But look at this rock. It's wet. So that means it's reached up to here. Oh my God! Woo! Look at that! Wow! Drop water between the rocks. Oh my God! I'm here. I'm here. Dito ako sa malalaking bato. I come all the way from there to the top. Hindi ko alam. I don't know if I can go back there anymore. You know? Tapos si Istan sabi niya, come back daw eh. I'm not scared. This is our last day na camping site, Camping Argos. Los Angeles Hotel here in Santander. He checked in but still cerrado. So we go into the Cafe Restaurante Cafeteria for the light meal. Really modern, I like it. Hotel Los Angeles. Ayan. Di naman mapuno. Oh, love that. I think we're going to walk there. That footpath. Naku, may nakita naman akong gagalaan. I love to explore. I love to walk. Back in Santander, so we start to walk again. What time are we supposed to get there? Is there any time limit? The cowboy. Ayan, ang apartment. We're back in Santander. So this is the cowboy in front of me, stopping me to do it. I spotted another dead palm tree. The palm tree. here. Maybe because it's very hot weather. This is quite nice. Tree, look. Ano yan? Fruits. They're bearing fruits, honey. Can you see it? The green one, look. That's the fruit. Oh, I cannot see it from here. Yeah. Those. See? See. Nang iiwan na yung cowboy. Ito ako. Ayan. My usual hat. Ang init kasi. I cannot go without my hat. Ayan. Bagay ba mga kapits?
Oh yeah!
Ito na ako paligo. Tapos yun na yung lake. Oh my God. Oh my God. The lake here. Oh my God. This is the lake, the deep blue lake. Ayun.
God is eternal. God is everywhere. God created you and me. God that healeth thee. God, the great provider.
Going to cross the bridge and side to side sa lake. Look. Is that a pond or swimming pool before? It's been, yeah, I think it's been neglected. I don't know who's the owner of this. No fish at all. Pabalik na kami sa hotel kaya pa-relax na lang. I'm just taking old houses here. Abandoned ba to? Going back to the hotel na. Tapos na gumala yung La Cochera. Ito yung footpath by the main road at alas 7:30 na ng hapon, ng gabi. I spotted another big house. Sawang-sawa na ako sa mga malalaking bahay rito. Ang dami, hindi maubos-ubos. So many big houses here everywhere you go. Marami kami, we traveled a lot, North Spain. So many big houses. And apartels sa mga modern city, sa mga urban. Good apartels and condominiums. McDonald's signboard. Going back to the hotel now. This is a lovely walk here, playground, and to this side is apartment or whatever you call the apartel. There's so many big houses and apartels here. There is a supermarket, Lupa Supermercados, and here we are. It's only like 600 meters away to the hotel. Hello! Merong doggy sa ilalim, under the table. Hello, my darling. Welcome, my darling. So cute. Ito yung baaso. Lumapit sa amin. Haha. Ng puso. Only one left. Who will get the last one? Honey, just save the last one. Just save the last one. Don't be shy. Oh, ayaw na raw. Ako na lang daw. Oh, pinagbigyan ako. Hatiin ko muna. Hindi kaya ng ano. Okay. Yeah, I'm alright. Don't get me any more wine. This is our second to the last day in Santander. We'll go to ferry today. We'll check out. We'll check out at 12 noon. This is the breakfast in the area. Bye bye Spain, it's been lovely. 3 weeks stay. Big bikes waiting here. Caravans and cars. Mostly English people going back to UK after holiday. That's the ferry. That Brittany ferry.